Hey, little guy.
Where's Daddy go? Huh? Let's look at Daddy. Look at Daddy! Yeah!
Got him on video for a minute.
No, that's just...
Hey, little guy. It's the first time in your big activity gym? Supposed to be 4 months old. Feet don't even reach on the lowest setting. But you're doing a good job. Doing such a good job. You watching Grandma?
Jacob! It's raining.
Are you smiling? Oh, tell us about it.
You all done?
Tell us about it.
Done? Want more fish?
Threw a piece on the floor.
He likes fish. I think he just likes food. Is there anything he doesn't eat?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, really?